Creating a Uniswap account allows you to access decentralized finance services, such as token swaps, liquidity provision, and managing digital assets. Here's how to create a Uniswap account. Install MetaMask. MetaMask is the most common wallet used with Uniswap. Download and install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile app from metamask.io. Set up a new wallet or import an existing wallet using your seed phrase or private key. Connect MetaMask to Uniswap. Once MetaMask is installed and set up, visit Uniswap in your browser. Click the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the Uniswap interface. Select MetaMask from the list of available wallets and follow the prompts to connect. Start using Uniswap. After connecting your MetaMask wallet, you can start using Uniswap. Swap tokens. Navigate to the swap section to exchange one token for another. Provide liquidity. You can add liquidity by depositing tokens into liquidity pools and earning rewards. Manage portfolio. Track your transactions, liquidity pools, and token balances directly from your MetaMask wallet connected to Uniswap. Security. Ensure your MetaMask wallet is secure by keeping your seed phrase safe and never sharing it with others.